How to share your location with someone on WhatsApp. Sharing our location on WhatsApp helps friends or family know exactly where we are, which is very important for safety or meeting up. If we do not share it correctly, people may get lost or be unable to find us. So let's do it step by step. We can start by opening up WhatsApp for that and open up the chat with the person or the group you want to share your location with and basically open attachment options. So tap on the paperclip icon, usually on your Android device, it's a paperclip icon. On your iPhone, it may be a plus icon in the text box. Tap on it and select the option of location from the menu that pops up. And you can tap on continue. You can send your current location or share your live location. You can do so. Tap on continue for that. You should be finding two options, sharing your live location or sending your current location. You can tap on one of those, tap on it. And then when you do, the message will be sent to that following user that you tried to send it to. And while doing so, you can choose duration 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours and tap on send. And live location, when sent, it updates automatically as you move. And then while doing so, make sure your GPS or your location services are enabled on your phone and share location only with your trusted contacts. WhatsApp encrypts your location for safety. But usually that's how we share our location on WhatsApp very safely and easily. You need to give all the necessary permissions for that, and you should be able to share your location with someone on WhatsApp. And that's it. That's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.